Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already saved a backup, so open the document and go straight to the header area. Double-click the top margin or use Insert Header to reveal header controls. Once visible, check whether the header is linked to previous sections. You'll see a button named Link to Previous. Make sure to turn on Draft or Print Layout so you see section breaks. Now you're ready to edit specific header content without changing the whole document. You need precise control over which pages show which header. Insert a section break where you want a different header. Layout breaks next page or continuous. Once the break exists, double-click the header and click Link to Previous to disable it. Now the header is independent. Use different first page or different odd and even pages to handle title pages or duplex printing. Make sure images, logos, and page numbers are placed in the header frame so they follow section rules. Finish by inserting page numbers if required. Insert page number, then choose Format to restart numbering per section when needed. Apply consistent fonts and spacing by converting header text to a character/paragraph style so future edits stay uniform. Once done, scroll the whole document to confirm headers align and don't overlap body text. If something looks wrong, show hidden marks, verify section break types.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.